Time management and laziness are issues which are affecting our youth to the point that it is affecting our sahri, our suhoor. In the morning, a person should wake up at suhoor and should aim to have a beautiful and healthy breakfast or a suhoor that will help him go throughout the day. Unfortunately, for some people, their schedule is that during the day they're fasting, during the night they're watching movies, or they're working, or they're spending time with their friends, they're out and about, or because they don't have a job, or because they do have a job, whatever the circumstances is, that people do not wake up for sahri. They do not wake up for suhoor. And they are leaving out so much barakah of this month. So there's a hadith in Sahih al-Bukhari. أنس بن مالك رضي الله عنه قال قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم تصحروا فإن السحور بركة. That Anas ibn Malik radiallahu anhu narrates that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, take suhoor as there is a blessing in it. So there is blessings, there is barakah in suhoor. Why are we leaving out the barakah? It's like when a person is involved in a business and there's money to be made and he says, this is extra money, we don't want it. And people are saying that that's extra income. Why are you letting go of that extra income? So unless a person says, my life is filled with barakah and I don't need any more barakah, alright, maybe you're extravagant. But the purpose of this month is to connect ourselves with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So a person should be motivated and happy about waking up early, sacrificing his sleep, and then eating sahri so that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala can give him some barakah.